is Zahra and welcome back to my channel, Zahralicious. Today is a very special day because the Emirates Mars mission's Hope probe is going to be inserted into the orbit of Mars. Oh my god, I've been so excited about this and passionate throughout this week. Since it was launched, I've been following every info I could get. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. All praises and thanks to our Lord Allah. So, what is the satellite gonna do? Well, that's what we're gonna be talking about today. UAE sent a probe to the orbit of Mars. This mission is called EMM, or Emirates Mars Mission. The people who were involved were Umran Sharaf, the Emirates Mars Mission Project Manager, Sarah Amiri, the Deputy Project Manager of the Science Lead, and more. This mission is managed by a 100% Emirati team. It was launched on the 20th of July 2020 at 1:58 a.m. UAE time. It was launched in Tanegashima Space Center, Japan. But why Mars? They could have chosen Mercury or Venus or Jupiter or any other planet. But why Mars? Well, Mars has captured human imagination for centuries. Now, they are at a junction where they know a great deal about the planet, and they have the vision and technology to explore further. It will help answer the key questions about the global Martian atmosphere and the loss of hydrogen and oxygen gases into space over the span of one Martian year. How did it happen? What happened when it reached space? During the first stage, the solid rocket boosters were expanded as the rocket accelerated away from the Earth. This was followed by the jettisoning the fairing as it no longer needed to protect the Hope probe from the Earth's atmosphere. In the second stage, the rocket jettisoned and put the Hope probe into the Earth's orbit. It stayed in orbit until the exact alignment with Mars, after which it was reunited to push on its trajectory towards the red planet. The rocket was launched into space. The parts of the spaceship were detached, and then the Hope probe unfolded its solar panels facing towards the sun to charge it on its 7-month journey. Now, let me show you something interesting. So this is the location of the Hope probe right now. Look at it, it's on the orbit of Mars. The last time I saw it, it was over here. So that means it's going around the orbit of Mars, over here. So the Hope probe was able to go to Mars because this is the Earth orbit. Can you see this? This big one? This is the Earth orbit. So when the Earth was around here, aligned with Mars, then that's when the Hope probe got the opportunity to go to Mars. Well, it's like a 481 million kilometer journey. So of course, that would have taken a long time. So this is the Earth. The Earth's orbit. Over here, this is the Earth. So then, what I was trying to say is that when it rolled around here and was aligned with Mars, that's when the Hope probe was able to get to the orbit of Mars. So that's the simplest explanation. And this is the sun. Now let's talk about the goals of this project. To reach the orbit of Mars by 2021, which I already did, so tick off the list. To take pictures of the atmosphere in Mars, still pending. To get the first full picture of the Martian atmosphere, still pending. Its primary mission will last for 687 days, or 1 year on Mars, studying the atmosphere and weather patterns of the planet. But the mission also reflects a broader ambition in the UAE to drive the innovation in science and technology and diversity the economy of the tiny but oil-rich nation.
Trivia time!
Mars is the second smallest planet after Mercury. So that means Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and then the next smallest planet in the solar system is Mars. Cool. I never knew that. Is the fourth planet away from the sun? That's true. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 day in Mars is slightly above 24 hours. 1 Martian year is equals to 687 Earth days. Wow, that's almost 2 Earth years. Mars is a rocky planet? Wow, I thought it was all smooth, without rocks, round and red. Mars has a thin atmosphere. Oh, that's why it can't have liquid water. Mars appears red because of the iron minerals in its soil. So then, what's the real color of Mars without the iron minerals? I wonder. Well, that's all for the trivia. Do you know that the Hope probe is sophisticated enough to make its own decisions? Like collecting valuable information and sending it back to the control room here in UAE. Wow! If you like this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to continue to get a taste of my world. Bye beautiful friends! إلى اللقاء يا أصدقاء جميع. We celebrate our success together.
الحمد لله. الحمد لله. الحمد لله. الحمد لله.
You may be wondering if there were any humans in the rocket. Well, it was only the Hope probe. First, the parts of the spaceship dispatched until the Hope probe released its solar panels. Well, I guess it's the end of this video. Oh wait! Did I tell you that the Hope probe is sophisticated enough to make its own decisions? And it's sophisticated. No. You may be wondering.
You drink curry?
No.